Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. And today's video is one of my favorite things to record and your favorite thing to watch. It is a what I eat in a day, and I'm coming to you hot and ready with these earrings. Oh my god, who is she with these earrings? It's too much for my soul, but I like them. What do we think? Tell me the truth. You gotta be honest with me, okay? Also, I just came back from LA and I am so ready to like really kickstart my year right, healthy, glowy, no drama, no stress, just focusing on me, manifesting good energy. Where's my sage? Need my sage. Need my sage. I'm only joking. So Sasha and Holly are here. Sasha's editing right there, Holly is editing right there, and I'm going to be showing you what I'm going to cook with these two for breakfast. And also follow me around today because I want to show you exactly what I'm eating. I've had a lot of questions about kind of like how many carbs I'm consuming, how much this and how much that. Honestly, I don't track what I eat. I don't care about macros. I don't care about counting my calories. I did that for a long time. It just wasn't healthy for my mind. It works fantastically well if you are under eating or if you're overeating and you want to kind of know what your body should be consuming at the beginning, and it worked really well for me, but then I became a bit obsessive. So now that I know what works for me, I don't count calories and I don't count macros. I focus on fueling my body and actually giving my body what it needs, rather than just focusing on numbers and just being a certain way all the time. It's not sustainable, especially with the amount of traveling I do, especially because, you know, just life gets in the way in general. So bear that in mind. So, meal number one, breakfast time. Oh my god, please, I can't even deal with these two. Ay, 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 ay. Everyone but Sasha, baby. Whoa! This channel's PG and I can't even deal. Also, one more thing I need to show you. First of all, my heating's also broken, so this is the only thing I have to keep me warm. What is this? Second of all, Sasha got me this. Hey!
Family portrait.
Family portrait. Cute. BFS for life. XOXO. So that was really cute, and it made my day because I had a bit of a difficult start to the year. So that was so sweet to come home to. So, like I said, breakfast time. I'm sorry I'm talking too much, but I missed you guys, so breakfast. So you know the drill. When there's other people here, the quantity increases. So I'm going to be making some eggs, mixing with some onion, mushrooms and pepper. That's going to be the base. And then of course a bagel a day keeps the doctor away. You guys know I absolutely adore bagels. It's just a thing that I love. I'll probably get bored of it, but right now I'm obsessed. I'm going to have some micronutrients on the side, some berries. I'm gonna spread this on my bagel. I love this so much, and maybe a bit of peanut butter. And then for drinks, I'm gonna have some ginger with hot water and honey, which I love in the morning. It makes me feel super fresh. And also a glass of water with some lime that I love having as well. A lot of people use lemon. I don't know why I use limes. It's just a habit now. So yeah, drink, protein, carbs, micronutrients. So let's cook this up and get ready to start the day. Okay guys, so here is the finished product. Scrambled eggs, pepper, onion, mushroom, some mixed berries, a bagel day keeping the doctor away, and then I have hot water, ginger and honey in there, and then some lime and water. And also, listen, get yourself one of these. Right, there we go. Sasha, Holly, breakfast time. Okay. Do you know what I forgot to do? I forgot to do cooking with Krissy. Cooking with Krissy. Okay, so I've literally just been to the gym because today's content day, so I recorded loads of content for you guys. As you know, I post all like little workout videos on Instagram, where you can find here next to my onions. And also full workout videos are always on my YouTube, and I actually recently posted one. It was a booty one. If you want to give that a go, I'll put it in the description box, so you can definitely give that a go. So I'm going to be making some lunch now. I'm starving. You know when you're so hungry, you just want to eat everything. You want to eat all the chocolate, all the cakes, everything, and then you got to stop yourself because like you remember your goals and you're like, no, I'm just hungry. It's just my adrenaline. I need to calm down. So I'm gonna make the most basic healthy meal that you'll find. Broccoli, but the way I'm gonna make this broccoli, you're gonna love it. I'm gonna add some mushrooms, some onion, pan fry it with a bit of olive oil, some Himalayan pink salt, some garlic powder, and also some garlic. And honestly, it tastes delicious. I haven't done this on my channel before, so definitely give that little recipe a go. The chicken, yet again, pan fry it, a little bit of olive oil, a little bit of seasoning, and that should be good. And then the rice I've made so many times on this channel. What I do is olive oil, and I use 1 chicken stock for flavor. I let it simmer, I don't touch it, and then once it's done, serve it up. Really simple, really basic. You can pack some for your meal prep and you're good to go. So that's what I'm gonna make right now. Then I'm gonna head to the gym and get a good sweaty workout in. Then shake, then dinner, then snacks. Hey!
Who's the respect?
Sasha baby, it's Miss Sasha baby. My mom thought me and you were dating.
Oh, of course, like everyone else.
Like everybody else.
The whole world.
Like the whole world. My mom was like, who is the guy in your display picture on WhatsApp? I was like, it's Sasha. She was like,
you're going way too fast.
You're moving too fast. I was like, Ma, like, no, he's
That's still real love though.
still real love, but mine, he's type, okay? That's my type. That's my type. So here is the broccoli with mushroom and onion. I made some rice and then the chicken. Oh, it got a bit steamy. Some chicken with Himalayan pink salt, garlic powder, a little bit of onion and lime. Keeping it super basic and simple. I'm gonna plate myself some up. Yet again, I made enough for Sasha and Holly. So this is good for me to have 1 hour before I train, and then I'm gonna go train and smash out a leg session. Finish the gym. Every time I finish the gym, right, I like sit in the changing rooms and I contemplate my life. I'm like, what did I just go through? Like, what did I just put my body through? I am literally shattered, but it's always worth it. And you always feel super proud of yourself. And you come home, you have a nice nutritional meal, and you feel great. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm actually prepping the food right now. But I don't know why I'm so close. I don't know why I'm so up in your business. I'm so sorry. I'm literally like this, Holly. Hi. So I'm going to show you what I'm making. Yet again, super simple, super basic. You got your carbs, you got your protein and your micronutrients. Honestly, when I look at my palette and I look at like what I eat, it's always kind of like the three fundamentals: carb, protein, and also some veggies, micronutrients, and then you've got your healthy fats as well. So after the gym, I actually had 1 banana and a protein shake. I had the ISO whey from Women's Best, so I got that down me. And then I'm having healthy fats right now. Healthy fats being salmon. So I've got salmon here, and I covered it with some olive oil, some oregano, black pepper, pink Himalayan salt, and garlic powder. For my micronutrients, I have some carrots, Brussels sprouts.
Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again.
Buttons will eat that. Broccoli, some little tiny corn. Wow, I'm so weird. Covered it in some olive oil, salt, and that's ready to go. And then I'm also having some potatoes. How I'm gonna make my potatoes is I'm gonna boil them. The water is pretty much done. Boil the potatoes until they're soft, and then I'm gonna roast them in the oven with a little bit of butter, just a little bit of butter, just so they get a golden coat, and then they're gonna be ready to eat, and they're gonna be crispy. They do take a while, so I would say make your potatoes first and then your other ingredients, just so they can be all golden and ready to eat. So that's what we're working with for dinner, and I will catch you in a jiffy. Thing I'm having today is actually this blueberry and lemon kind of sponge pudding kind of granola. I don't even know what this is. Like, it's just a dessert. It sounded good. I bought it. And then some custard, some French custard here. Pour that on that. Gonna have 1/4 of this for some custard. And you are not gonna have anything because you're not eating your dog food, because you keep expecting me to give you chicken and potatoes. Ooh. Oh, button bear. Oh, night snuggles with mummy. She always does this. She always comes on the sofa. I love you so much. And then she just chills with me. And then we have a little bit more work to do, and then we're gonna call it a night. Oh, you got something in your eye there, girl. So that was it, guys. That was my eating for today. Super simple, nothing complex, and just nourishing. You know, I just want to put in as much good things in my body, because I think, like, you know, when people talk about self-love and they talk about like their worth and their self-respect, you know, like, I think it's so important to understand that first of all, self-love is a process, and second of all, self-love is also what you're doing for you. Like, what are you doing for your body? I know there can be times where you feel like shit, you're feeling super low, and all you want to do is just sit in your bed or lay in your bed and not even get up. And I've had those moments, but if I don't get up, who's that gonna affect? It's gonna affect me. If I don't get up and make myself a nutritional breakfast, I'm gonna feel like crap for the rest of the morning. If I don't get up and train, I'm not gonna feel stronger the next day. I've spent such a long time having super low feelings and feeling really crappy and having like major bad anxiety. And I don't want to feel like that anymore, no matter with what life throws at my way, because it's going to affect me. And you know, you don't deserve to feel like that. So get up, train, get up, make yourself a good, wholesome, nutritional meal. Fuel your body, fuel your soul, cook. Actually cook the food you're putting into your body. That in itself is self-love. It's like you're nourishing your soul, you're cooking, you're seeing what's going into your body, you're allowing yourself to take time for yourself. Cooking is therapeutic, and if you don't like doing it, that's okay. Maybe try it with a friend, or maybe try a new recipe that you've never tried before. But you gotta take time out for yourself, because no one else will. And I know it sounds super lonely or maybe a bit sad, but look, you got yourself at the end of the day. And wake up, make yourself breakfast, wake up, get a workout in. Things can be super hard in life, but you can make it better by putting self-value, worth, and self-love into the mix. So, you know, I just wanted to tell you that, because like I said, the start of this year has been a kind of difficult one, but I'm not gonna let it stop me for the rest of the year. It's difficult, cool, but we're gonna make it better and we're gonna be stronger. So just wanted to let you know, and yeah, hope that helps. But be sure to hit that subscribe button. Oh yes, please subscribe, thank you. Oh, lovely stuff. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, and be sure to be following your girl on Instagram for all of the workout videos and motivation from the Tony Scott community. And I will see you next time. I love you always and forever, and always appreciate it for you. See you later, guys. Bye.